can see that. So now it has helped us to, this will help them to know, recommend a better proxy. Then after you have done that, how many quantity do you need? I just need one, just need one, just me alone. So how many weeks? I'm buying it for monthly, I'm buying it for, so I'm going for a month. So if you go for a month, so click on here, so that maybe if you have issue with the proxy they give you, automatically they could recommend another proxy for you. Just click on that one and then tell them, okay, you can see here now the payment method you want to use. So we have our account balance already, so click on the payment method. So you see here balance, so use balance, click on balance. Let's go back again, maybe some persons missed it. You can see once you click on that payment method, you go up, you now see balance, right? Click on the balance. So once you click on balance, you will now go down. Already before you fund your account, you might have selected the coupon that this is my promo code, right? Then click on submit, and then I'm done with that. I'm sure that thing we are missing out. I think we have done, we have set everything. Then you can now click on submit order now, and click on submit order. So here they said proxy will be ready for use within 1 to 2 minutes of payment or confirmation of payment. Now click on submit order. Bam, our proxy has been submitted. So we are going to wait for them to give us the proxy details, right, so that we use. So we have submitted our proxy details. So we are going to confirm the proxy, or confirm the payment. So our proxy is ready. You see that. So let's proceed to our dashboard to see what we have there. Click on order. You have one active IP, there is one active proxy here, you can see here. So click on it. No, it's not add. Click on this space here, so that you see what you have. So this is, here is our IP. Here is our IP and it's active, right? So you can see here that this is our proxy, here is our IP, right? So you copy the IP, then come to this proxy, here, super proxy, right? And paste it there, add proxy, click on the add proxy. Then this one now is new UK proxy, and then the server, which is the IP, paste it there and go back. Just tap on that place, you now see the details, the informations are already here, you can see that. So you copy the login, copy the login, then go back to this site, paste it there. So click on this space that it says, this space that you have here, this drop down, click on it, select username and password. Now the username, just put what you copied from that site, paste it there, go back and copy the password. Now copy the password, go back, paste the password there, paste the password, then go back again. This spot that you have here, the first one is for HTTPS. If you want to use HTTPS, but we are going to use SOC. We're going to use SOC proxy. So we have 50101. Jesus. Even if I should tell you, I tell you the password, I don't have it. It's just like waste of time. So yeah, so that is it. So see, our proxy is confirmed. So you can see stick all good. So now click on save. once you now start, you now click on start, right? You are good to go. Then the next thing is we want to do analysis on the prosy to see if this prosy is good for us. To see if the prosy is good for us, we go. So we are good to go here. Now come back to this place. Okay, come back to your Chrome. Then search for IP score. Now you have this IP score, you now click on it. Alright, you can see here that you are in UK, right? So one thing you should understand is that if you are now doing it, the next thing is your time. Your time region should be UK, right? Your time region should be UK. If you are doing UK, if you are doing working for US, your time region should be US. Your time zone should be US. So you should set up your time zone. So when you are done setting up everything, your time zone, your IP, you have confirmed that it's in UK, and make sure you check the score, IP score. Your time zone is also okay. You now check your email address. Then you can now go to the site, Surveyor, or any of the online survey platform you want to use. Viva browser is the one we'll start with for this practical, right? Then come to your Viva browser. Viva browser. Search for which survey should I use? So let's go survey